Hello everyone, and thank you for joining this demo on PDS on Tanzu. So you can see here I'm running a couple of Tanzu clusters, and we have demo 1 and demo 2. Pretty straightforward looking clusters running Kubernetes 1.22.9. So we can see from here that on demo 1, PDS is already up and running, and what we're going to walk through is adding this to demo 2. You can see, just to show everyone, it's not already there. Boom, it's not there. Cool. So now that we can use PDS to manage these workloads on any cloud in any situation, let's add another one here. So you can see I already have a few here. Amazon, Tanzu, on-prem vanilla Kubernetes. So we're going to copy this command. I have to blur out a little bit there. Don't want anyone to know my top secret 97 character token. And as I watch this while it goes by, I just want to make sure you can't see it. That would be bad. All right. So we've installed it. You can see there the containers are starting. We are going to create a namespace, PDS demo 2. And in that namespace, we're going to label it. And what this label does is actually exposes that namespace to be used by PDS. So Portworx Data Services cannot write to any namespace unless it has this label. So we're going to be lazy and demo 2. Label that namespace. And now come back to my UI. You can see it's initializing, and that's just a unique ID that it pulls from the Kubernetes cluster. Let's give it a new name. TKG Demo 2. Wow, pretty simple. All right, so we're going to deploy it. We're going to deploy Cassandra. Call this VMware Explore. Choose my cluster, demo 2, and the namespace. From there, we could choose things like resource settings, so choose different sizes. I'm going to choose a medium just for fun, and also a backup target and schedule. So it's going to go to my CNA backups, which is a S3 target for this cluster. Hit deploy, and within just a couple of short minutes, we will have our Cassandra instance. You can see your backup right there. You can check the namespace from the Kubernetes side. Of course, no Kubernetes knowledge required. We can see this running the one instance there, and get PVC. It created the storage. So it created a data volume for the data to go onto, and also a backup volume that is shared so that in the future I can mount that and restore data to another instance if I need to. And it's an RWX, so it can be mounted from anywhere. And I will now go into the pod and just show you that it's got both of those volumes mounted from the block standpoint. So LSBLK, we can see that block volume for the data right there, mounted to PDS/data. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Really no Kubernetes experience required in order to deploy and manage any data service within PDS. So if you have more questions, just let us know. I'm happy to help you at the booth for VMware Explore, or reach out to your local Portworx specialist team. Thank you very much.